I think to go further you actually have to take apart these switches and remove the switch. The spring is probably in here inside of a circular cylinder, so you actually have to remove these plastic pieces, which would probably involve removing some kind of, there's a little C-clip right there and right there. You remove those C-clips and then you can remove this to go further. I'm not going to because I'm actually trying to save the light. If I actually had problems with the circuit board, I'd go further and actually fix the circuit board. Another thing I find odd is that the screws holding on the cover. Oh, okay, I see it. No, there's both of them have, one of them kept its O-ring and the other one left it in here, so that screw goes there. That one will go there. Okay. Well, let's put it all back together. %, alcohol. Okay. Wasn't sure that was going to go back on properly, but it appears to have done so. I did remove the LED here, and behind this is just glue. Just the wires come through to power the LED. Okay, O-ring back in there. Glass. I found that just a regular pair of Lyman's pliers fit in the end of this, and if you just shove it in there and turn, it will actually remove the end of this cover without scratching the glass. You can put a tactical end on this if you were so inclined, and that would be how you would do that, but in reverse. I also removed the C-clip, or the side clip, just in case, and it appears mine's broken. You can see the little metal indentations, and I believe that, because I noticed a while back it was on here and it was turning just a little bit. There's a little bit of wiggle room there, and I guess those little pins broke. So not the most quality light ever, but this little screw right here is the same one that holds these covers off. It's about the same size. So I'll put this back on. Yeah. All right. Let's see if I have a charged battery laying around here somewhere. Would appear I don't. Ah, there we go. Alright. So we got the flashing indicator. We got everything put back together there, except for the Nitecore. Cool. So I guess that functionally would be the way I would go about cleaning this Nitecore switch if you need to. Remove this and then force alcohol back outwards. They recommend just on the outside squirting silicone, some kind of silicone grease in there. I would not recommend that personally. But what do I know? I just repair these components. Cool. Have a good one. I hope that helped.